Okay, hi Mr. Razif, Michael here, and today I'll be presenting my final task for AR sneaker try-on project name Sneak Peek. Okay, so this project builds on our MVP prototype. I would say it all started there. We are like continuing from there. But now for this final, we focus more on refining the user experience and then the visual presentation, like the layouts, not like the onboarding, like the homepage and everything. And also we've changed from markerless to marker-based interaction using the Vuforia in Unity. Okay. So this is the latest project. Actually, I use like three different three different editor. I've tried using this one 6.1, and I'm not sure why there's a problem with my edition. It says that it's not compatible and it keeps having error. So I went and installed this one, 2021 345F1, and there's still some minor issues. And then last year I went and get this one, the most compatible with Vuforia, and it works. So yeah, the latest project file that we're using is using the editor version 2021 345F1 lah. So here's the yes. Okay, so the project scene here, as you can see lah, we start with the Unity editor where I've already set up like the marker base. Okay, here root, the camera, the image target, and everything. It's all here. It's all set up in the AR scene. This means that when the camera detects the target image, it will spawn the 3D model during the session lah. It will spawn the model directly on top of it with the cubes here, like this one. This is the cube. Okay, let me first hide this. We'll get back to this later. Let's look at this first. Yep. So as you can see, that's the 3D model, and then the cube, and why is it like this? Yeah, and the image target itself. So this setup uses the Vuforia image target system where each of the shoe is linked to its own marker, which allows the users to interact with different shoes by scanning different images lah. I mean the different target image lah. So I've added actually like 4 different sneaker models, each tied to a different image marker. The third one, and the third one, and the fourth one uses OBJ file, and the second one uses where is it? Wait, let me first move it over there. The second one uses FBX, and there's actually some problem with the XBX file. Let's say it's this one. So whenever I spawn the shoe, the position is like way off. I'm not sure why. Let me try and wait. Let me try and show it. Yep, I'll move it over here, and then okay, FBX file. So let's say I want to put it under this. I'm just gonna pull this, just gonna put it here. So as you can see, at the very start, the position whenever like I first put it in, right, the position is like way off, and you can see like it's over here, but the model is over here. So I'm not sure what's the problem. I've tried to put it under this shoe to root as well, to like kind of bind it to that position and hope that the script would work, but initially it doesn't work. So I remove shoe number 2 lah, which is the Converse one, and we have this one, shoe number 3 Adidas, and shoe number 4 Asics. So each of them have a cube and the shoe 3D prefab lah. Okay, so let's see the gesture implementation. Where's my scripts? Okay, gotta move this over again, sorry. Okay, and then oops, yep, here's the script that I did for the scaling and rotating. Okay, and it's like this. Yeah, that's the script. Yes. Not sure how to explain this script, but yeah, that's the script. And at first the rotation gesture didn't really work. It was like orbiting around the cube at first as well, and I kind of changed it a bit, so now it's on the fixed position on the cube, and it rotates when we like, you know, like when we turn it and stuff. And then the pinch to scale is combined into this script as well. I'm lazy to like, you know, open another script, so I combine it with this together. And yeah, let me show you the where is it? Let's say this one. Yeah, here. So I needed to like go through one by one to test everything, to see the rotation speed, the scale speed, and everything here. And these are the settings. This one is for the Adidas. And this one is for Asics. Yeah, each of them have like some sort of a different setting lah for all the script. As for Vans, why is there another here? Because this one is the first one that I started with. I experimented it with a little bit, and then I just threw it aside and I started a new one and combined the scale together with the new rotate script. Yes. So I think that's the full idea of our final product, which I think this kind of keeps the experience like grounded to physical space. I actually wanted to add like materials renders to this as well, but okay, let's see. Okay, let's see like this one. So whenever I try to apply, it looks like this. I'm not sure why, I'm still trying to figure it out, but yeah, it doesn't look nice. So yep, I used back the default material for the cubes. I wanted to use something like a metallic material, so that like when we're doing it outside somewhere where there's good lighting and stuff, it will reflect real life images into the to the surface and some stuff like that, so it will be more interacting and fun. Yep, so in the end I used the Unity's default material for the cubes because it doesn't really work. So okay, now it's the you know what, let's go to the recorded video. I don't think I need to save. It's done. Here, this one. Oops. This one. So now let's talk briefly about the visual interface that Ian handled. He imported it from Figma, importing the UI designs into Unity, including the loading page, and then the home page screen, the shoe pages, and as well as the camera screen. So yes, basically this is the login just now, that one here, startup, and this is the login. So whenever you press on it, it goes in, and then you can choose like the shoes. The Vans, the Adidas, and the Asics works. The Sharp Taylor All Star doesn't work. It's the Converse one, the shoe number 2. So you press in, and you can see all this layout, and then you can press the camera at here on the bottom left. We go into the camera page, and then yeah, you can scan the image target, and then you can like rotate and everything. You can zoom in, pinch to scale the shoe, and then here, as you can see, I use my hand to cover the camera because I want to show this button, the back button, and the AR showcase button. I mean the AR showcase word at the top, the title. And then you press back, you get back to the home page where you can choose the other shoe with all the information, and then same lah, pinch to scale with the target, and then rotate, pinch back, and then press back to the third shoe, the A6. Same stuff, the pinch, the rotate, then back. Yep, that's all we have for our AR final project. So to wrap up everything, I think this final task helped me dive deeper into Unity, because we don't really have the chance to try all this. So this task is actually an opportunity lah for us to learn how to like set up marker base and stuff. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the time, Mr. Razif. That's all from me. Thank you.